If you've forgotten your Swiggy password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app or website. Launch the Swiggy app on your mobile device or visit the Swiggy website on your computer. Step 2. Go to the login page. On the app or website, navigate to the login page where you usually enter your credentials. Step 3. Click on Forgot Password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page and click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 4. Enter your registered email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Swiggy account. This is necessary for receiving the password reset link or code. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email or SMS. Check your email or SMS for a password reset link or code. Click the link or enter the code, then follow the prompts to create a new password. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Swiggy account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Swiggy customer support for assistance.